Ready, back. Going back. When I call ball, let it go. All right. All right, no problem. All right, real. Set. Get that left hand up right. Back. I don't lean. Don't lean. Go back without leaning. Elbow to the sky. Back. Up. Set. Back. Without leaning. Ball. Finish forward. Make sure you snap in front of those eyes. All right. Above the shoulder, in front of the eye. Back. Ball. No leaning. All right. Make sure those elbows coming to me as much as you can. Once you can. Ready? Back. Ball. One more time. At least in front of your eyes, not down. In the front. Out. Back. Ball. Right, here we go. Left leg out. All right. We're going to turn. Wing ball. So we're going to turn. All right. Yeah. Yeah. Not this here. I like this here. I want you to hold it. I want it like it's hanging. All right. Ball like it's hanging. Out in front. Okay. See the L. Ready, ready. Turn. L. Hold it further. Not bad. It's not bad. All right. It's not bad. Let me make sure. Stand there. All right. Try and hold this as long as you can while twisting this here. Boom. All right. So you don't want to pull. Ready. Ball. Good move. Come through. Drive through. All right. Don't throw sideways. Generate that power. We want this here. We want this movement. When you throw this. Put it up. Got it? Again. Got it? Do it again. One more time. Alright. Without leaning back, we don't want to go, whoa, here. We want to really push it come through. So as this is coming through around, snap. Got it? Without leaning back, don't lean it back. Tap. Turn. Wing. Bump. And in front a little bit more. Alright, in front of those eyes one more. Two more times. Set. Turn. Wing. Bump. And in front a little more. Generate power from that leg more. Alright. Boom. Alright. See it? Ready. Turn. Wing. Bump. Turn around. You're leaning. Last one. Lean. Keep pushing to me. Turn. Wing. Bump. Switch knees. Set. Turn. Wing. Bump. Lean. Shoulder level. Turn. Wing. Bump. Shoulders level. Back one more time. Turn. Wing. Bump. Do it again. Make sure they're in front of those eyes. Right when you look. Turn. Wing. Wing. Bump. You watch my chin on your feet. Left side face. Alright, here we go. Let it go. Alright. Up. Watch this front step. Now step right here. Make sure you just notice right here. Step. My feet. Pushing here. Let's have to have somewhere to come through. As opposed to having this here. Coming here. Alright. Open up a little bit more. Middle of your body coming to me. Middle of your body coming to me. Belly button. Middle of your chest. Everything coming down. Set. Up. Shake open. Hey, look the wrist, look the wrist. Don't let it fall. It shouldn't be standing there too long. Step. Up. Again, lean back. Lean back. One more time. Step. Up. Here we go. Lean back. Finish forward. I'm going to see you finishing. Here. Head over shoulder, alright? Think head over shoulder. Alright, here we go. Cross step, cross step, cross step. Ready? Up. Alright, slide more to the middle of the bag. Alright. Alright. Up. Go. Again. Shoulders level. Ready, ready. Up. Focus, everything. You're aiming points, my chin every time, alright? All mountain points for you though. Face 2, chest 1, stomach half. Alright. Anything outside the frame, nothing. Let's go, last one position. Set. Up. 2. Focus coming through. Make sure you're coming through. Finishing over the top. Here we go. Hey. Gather. Big gather. So we're going back and gathering. So crossing. Gather behind that back bag. Coming back. Make the throw. Alright. See that bag? Yes. Coming back. So on that gather, we come back forward. Make the throw. Set. Up. Just missed it. Let's go again. bag that you crossed over. And then you make the door to me, alright? Ready? Go. Alright, watch you hold it back. Be in here. Turn the wrist. Alright, so you get there. Boom. Now it's your big. Boom, boom. Alright. Come up. Twist it real quick. Boom, boom. Scoop. Ready? Go. Again. Go one more time. Set. Go. Just to the side. Alright, here we go. This is what I want. Get to the side, get to that bag there. Right there. That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go. We're gonna go here. Alright. We're gonna shuffle around. We're gonna shuffle. Come here. Shuffle. Back pedal. Shuffle forward. Make the throw. Got it? Shuffle. Back pedal. Shuffle. Make the throw. Alright. All the way outside the bags. All the way outside the bags. Alright. Ready? Set. Go. Hey, y'all looking to get some work here? Come on. Ready? Go. Go. Again. Ready? Go. Yeah. Doing the other way. Go the opposite way. Ready? Set. Go. Let's stick. Again. Ready? Let go. Watch it. See, never cross it. Don't cross your face, alright? Right in front of you. Keep it in front of that bridge. Don't cross it, alright? So when you get to that nose, slow it out. Out turn. Alright? Again. Set. Go. Good. Alright, this is what we got. Quick throw, this is what we got. Coming through. Last one. Going here. Over. We're gonna back pedal through this here, okay? So we're bouncing. Watch that go. Oh! That's not making that throw. Got it? So as quick as we can. Go. Alright, with the right foot. Alright, try your best. Now you saw how I did that? Yeah? Go out. We're gonna do it. Never mind. Go back. Ready? Set. Go. Come on, you gotta be quick. Watch that. Feel yourself leaning off balance. Don't teeter. We don't want to teeter. Ready? Set. Go. Come on. Watch it. As you're getting over, you're leaning. You're off balance. Straighten up. Get up underneath. Bend those knees. Then push. Find it. Alright? Finish it. Alright, ready? Let's go 2 more. Set. Ready? Go. Alright, bounce. Find it. There we go. That's a little better. When you're here, make sure that we're coming back here. Get all the way through. Last one. Set. Ready? Go. Come on. Find it. Try it. Stay on that side. Last set. Alright, we're going forward, so we're going this way. Over, so we're going here. Alright, find your balance, make it throw. Ready? Go. Use your front. Everything in front of the eyes, over the top of your shoulder, alright? Ready?
You can throw one of your balls.
Huh?
You can throw one of your balls. Cause we got like training coming up in a minute.
You got what coming up?
We got training. We just waiting on our
Somebody
training.
training?
Yeah.
Okay, I thought y'all were coming over here to get some work in. Go ahead, use that one. Set. Go. 2. Good job. Last one. Ready? Go. Come on. Find that balance. Off balance. I saw it. Go, please. Don't throw off balance. One more time. Maintain your balance. Ready? Bounce. Go. Come on. Alright, get some drink real quick. Get out, full speed. Get around, get around. Throttle. Just him. All right. Take it back. Go. Get around, come on. Full speed, full speed. Throttle. Use all the cones, use. Go. Come on, quick. Get out of there, come on. Eyes up. Throttle. There we go. Go. Come on. Switch it, come on. Get out of there, come on. Eyes up. Shoulder. Replace it over the top. Not bad. All right, here we go. Go. Come on, work. Back, come on. There we go. Get out of there. Eyes up. Chest, shoulder. Good job. Go. Yeah. Full speed. Get your chest to me. Chest all the way to me. All right, here we go. Switch feet now. Left, right. Set, go. Good job. Get around. Come on. Get around. All the way. Chest. There we go. Good job. Bring that just a little bit. It's all right. Go. Come on. Come on. Get around. Come on. Go. Keep your feet wide. Come on. Quick. Go switch. Come on. Get out of there. Get out. Come on. Good job. Eyes up. Come on. All right. Come on. 4. Come on. 5. Come on. Let's go. Get up. Oop. Get down. Come on, let the knee touch the bag. Come on, keep it going. Keep it up. Keep that up. Keep that ball up. Keep it up. Come on, keep it up. Keep it up. Oh, come on. Here we go. Let's go. Russian twist. Let's go.
How many?
20 each side. Let's go. Come on, get down there. Get down lower. Come on, work. Come on. Oh, come on. All right, here we go. Put it down. Here we go. Let's go. Legs over the bag. Let's go. Come on. Hands behind you. Get up a little higher. Use your hands behind you. Put your hands back like a kickstand. Ready? Go. That's 1. We got 5 total. Come on. Get all the way over the back. All the way over. 2. Come on. 3. Come on. 4. 5. Good job. Go. Yeah, quick. Come on. Quick. That's slow. Go. Quick. Ready. Go. Come on, throw it. Follow through. Go. Follow through. Come on. Push. Drive off that back foot. Drive. Give me more of a drive. Go. Come on. Go. Quick step. Now. Drive. All right. Go. Drive. Come on. Drive. Go. Drive. You short step. Go. Come on. Go. Quick, come on. Focus. Bump. Come on. Wow, look at you. Like it. Don't wait on him. Come on. The other side. Run, run. Let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Don't wait on him. Come out that break. You see that butt drop? Let it go. It's a big boy ball. Let's go. Here we go. Here we go. Step up to the line. Step up right where the cone is. Hold him back. You hold him back. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Don't hold back. Don't hold back. Let's go. Don't lean back either. Turn the wrist. Turn the wrist. Turn the wrist, Jay-Bird. Turn the wrist. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Step up. You're on the cone. You're on the cone. Not that. The cone's a line of scrimmage for you. He's in shotgun. Good. Wow. Look at that timing, Jay-Bird. Look at that. All right. Come on, come on. Hey, that's that wide. You went wide on that. Finish in front of those eyes. Come on, come on. Last round, last round, last round, last round. Hey, Jay-Bird, do this for me. Say go. When you say go, delay, then pick the ball up, all right? Don't pick it up right away. Remember, you're in shotgun. Good, good, good. Come on. Last round, last round, last round, last round. Last round, last round. Delay with it. All right, take it to the other side. Let's go. Catch, good catch. You went a little too deep with that. Let's go, let's go. Jay-Bird, pick it up, pick up the pace. Remember, you're on the line, you're on the line. Good catch. Keep it up that palm, Jay-Bird. Keep it up that palm, Jay-Bird. Fingertips, fingertips. It's got to be a quick turn. Taking too long. Remember, they got on T-Boy a lot about that. Let's go. Remember, give me a delay. Give me a delay. It's through. Come on, he shouldn't have to move like that to catch that. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on. Last one, last one. Come on, hey, remember, push back for that ball now. Last one and we're done. Last one and we're done. This is it. Last one and we're done. This is it. This is it. Good job.